The most important thing about the Elgin terroir is, firstly, you'll notice the altitude above sea level. So the river, as say the lowest point in the valley, is 260 meters. Our vineyards go up to about 320, and there are quite a few vineyards at 400 meters above sea level. So we have the altitude, we have the proximity to the sea. We 12 kilometers away in that direction is the sea, but some vineyards are as close as 4.5 kilometers from the sea. So what does that mean is that we have the cooling effect from the sea in terms of a daytime cold breeze that you can feel now, it's nice and cool. And then the altitude means that we have very cold nights. So cool during the day, but even colder at night. And that difference in the daytime and the nighttime temperature means we get very good color in our red wines. It also means that we retain the natural acidity in the grapes. So our acids are naturally high in our wines, and it takes longer for the acids to be metabolized by the grapes. So we get much longer ripening period. When we're picking here, it's normally 6 weeks later than other wine growing areas in South Africa, but we still pick with a higher acid and a lower pH, which means the balance of the wine is perfect. Then if we talk about Shannon vineyards within the Elgin Valley, we are on the western side of the valley facing eastwards on the river, so we get the morning sun, but then we lose the sun in the afternoon. So we warm up quickly in the morning and then we cool down very quickly. And then the river for us symbolizes during the summer, if you stand here early in the morning, you'll see all the mist coming down the river because the water is warmer than the air. The cold air comes down the river from the mountains. So that nighttime cold air coming along the river makes everything nice and cold at night. Again, helping retain the natural acidity. Elgin being a mountain plateau up in the mountains here, we have quite a lot of variations in soils. And just on this piece of land here, we've got 7 major soil types, and there are 30 combinations in between. So what we've tried to do is really identify the different soils, the characteristics of the soils, and planting as many different varieties to the different soil types to try and create as many different flavors that the winemakers can work with.